The value in renovating your home is the investment into your family, I would say, is the best investment you could ever invest in. It's your environment, it's where you play, it's where you sleep, it's where you are every day, and your environment is the most important thing and the most important investment, I believe. Throughout our process, we deliver on time and on budget after we've set it in stone with the client, and they appreciate that and appreciate being able to move into their home or back into their spaces accordingly. What makes us different is that we're a full design build construction service, not just a contractor. We don't just provide an estimate, we provide budget ranges, and then before swinging our first hammer on the job site, and of course asking lots and lots of questions and making sure that we have the right program set for them, and we can home down and finalize their budget before we begin their process. Someone would choose a design build firm over a contractor if they're looking for one source of accountability and responsibility, if they're looking for a project to stay on budget and looking for a project to stay on time. Most clients have an idea of what they want, but they don't exactly know all the specifics of what they want. So it's our job to ask lots of questions and focused questions in order to be able to get really what they really need and then what they really want, and then really focus on helping them stay within the budget they want to keep with it. We are extremely proud of every project that we do. I would say that everyone has its unique personality behind it, and we cater to each individual accordingly.